Hi, this summer we've been visited by a couple of crickets, and the first one you can see here is the Roesel's bush cricket. It's an easy one to identify because of the light stripe behind the eyes, half moon shape. These are one of the 10 different species of bush cricket that we have in this country. And this one had come in, obviously turned a little bit colder in the evenings and had taken up residence on the back of our bed. Beautiful creature. And the other one we're not too sure of, but we think it's a speckled bush cricket. And this visited us from the front garden. A bit bigger than the Roesel's cricket. No crickets were harmed during the making of this video, and both were released to the safety of the garden. Both of them were females because they had ovipositors at the back. Look quite terrible, but they're quite harmless to us. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.